Hello guys, good morning. This is Ele again, Ele Pattinson. Today guys, we're going to video what we're going to put in our box, Balikbayan Box for Philippines. And what we have here, the purpose of making video for this, so I will track whatever I put in my bags because I think it takes forever to arrive in the Philippines, and then it takes time as well for me to gather all of these stuffs. So what we have here guys, I have this milk for my mom because obviously the milk in the Philippines, they are more expensive, and for like worth of $100, I can only buy 2 milk, sausage milk. This is good for the old people. This is recommended, hospital recommended. This is sausage. But before that guys, I ordered Insure for my mom when before the COVID. I can order through Lazada and it's more cheaper, but now when you buy this Insure to the pharmacy in the Philippines, each of this 850 gram, it's like 1,730 for one of this, while here I can only buy this like $33. So the sausage guys, they are more cheaper. This is $26 and now it went down again to $23 because the good thing here is they always have on sale. I bought this in Kimmy's warehouse using after fee, and I have now 10 pieces of all this milk, so it will take time for my mom to drink all of this, but of course it will take time as well to arrive in the Philippines. It takes 4 months for me for this last boxes that I've sent, so 4 months. And my kids, they always request now Milo, so I have 2 Milo. I have this Nesquik as well, chocolate mix milk fan. This is chocolate, so yeah, I bought this in Costco for only $17 for 2 kilo. So yeah, this is for my kids, and of course the big one can have like this one. And we have the bat soup. Only, I think I bought this $3 or $4. Guys, I send this because to those who knows in the Philippines, I asked them last time, my family, what did you use when they said, we don't have, if you ever gonna send packets, please send us bat soup because they're using the clothes washing for their body, which is not really good, but if you don't have any, you can use this. Well, of course, it's not good for your skin. So yeah, we'll have this, and this one, noodles. My husband bought this for us, but we didn't cook this, so I think before this one will expire, I'll send this to Philippines. And we have this. We have 7 kilo of powdered milk. My children always request that Milo milk. So we have 7 kilo of that, and this is chocolate for Glenn's gift, but she didn't eat this, so I will send it back to Philippines. And Makona coffee for my papa, and sugar. This is 2 kilo sugar, which is very cheap. The sugar here are very cheap, very cheap. And then the self-raising flour because they love pancake, and I want them to have this so they don't need to put baking powder or yeast, because sometimes if you put too much yeast and baking powder, it will gonna ruin the pancake. So self-raising flour is good for that. You just need to mix powdered milk, sugar, egg, and butter, so that's it, or margarine or oil. So you already have pancake. And we have this Kisses chocolate 300 pieces. I bought this in Costco and I think it's cheap. I can't remember the price, maybe $13 like that. And this one same, it's not really expensive, $13. I think this one is expensive than this, but not far from the price, not far from each other. And this one, I don't know the price. I love this, guys. Ati Dayan before, she went to Singapore and she gave me this and it's so yummy. I love it. It's so good. And tea. I bought tea for them too. They don't like tea, but it's good. Tea is good as well, especially if you have diarrhea and you don't have medicine. This one can be a remedy. And black tea. And my papa, he want grinding this, so yeah, we both grinding this here for the grind and for the cutting of steel. I don't know what you're gonna do with that. And we have our peanut butter, and there's one, guys, the oil came out already. I think I need to rub this. And this, guys, if you ask what's the reason why I put packing tape all around of this, because if you put that in the back in the bags, the pressure, if you don't want your Nutella goes everywhere, so you should pack it, because the pressure, and then the people will just throw it away, go there. So make safe, wrap that with packing tape. All of them, I wrap them. This one, especially your shampoo, guys, it is very important to have. And biscuits, and we have this vermicelli noodle, it's not much, and cookies. And my son, he requested, Mom, I asked him, what do you want? He said, Mom, I want Oreo. I said, where did you get the Oreo? He said, I saw the advertise on TV and it's so yummy. So yeah, we have Oreo, a lot of Oreo here, 20 pieces of Oreo. We have our chocolate as well. We have 20 pieces of this chocolate too. I feel bad, guys, because last 2 bags I've sent and they just received that the other day. I didn't put chocolate, and I thank everyone, neighbor, nieces, and what is that, neighbor, nieces, some, they're expecting a lot of chocolate. On my first batch, I've seen a lot of chocolate, and they told me that, oh Mom, Nana, I don't want you to send a lot of chocolate. I said, why is that? They said that the chocolate goes, the curtain goes everywhere, you just eat it and leave it like that. So that batch won't have chocolate. So, but now we're gonna have send chocolate because there is expecting it. And we have noodles too. I bought this in Asian shop. And yeah, we have noodles. And this one, we have Maggi. I bought this in Costco for only $6, I think, for 18 pack, 18 pieces. This one, I bought this in Costco, $10 for 30 pieces, 30 pack inside. And we have it here, the quick oats. This is, I think, from Rachel. And what else we have? We have obviously clothes. This dress that I bought before, and now I think I'm going to send it. I don't like it. This dress, I don't like it. This skirt, I will send it to my mom. So now let's start the packing, guys. Let's start putting them in the bag. I don't want to ruin my, like, you know, the milk for my mom. And what I'm gonna do, I will wrap this with clothes. Hopefully this is enough that this will help me. Winter. Last box, the 2 boxes I've sent, I pray for that box that God will be in that box, because as we know, we heard a lot of people like saying that the boxes, someone opened it, like some stuff inside it. But yeah, that's why I pray for this stuff. The boxes that no one will touch it and take some stuff from it, because it's sad when you send something and something is missing there. Like, it's not good, because we pay for this. We pay for this, we work for this, and then people just take it like that. It's not good. And then I have 2 slippers, so it's too big, but who knows, someone protect this board. Protect my stuff. Guys, I forgot we have shampoo as well. This shampoo, it's I bought this in the pharmacy, and they sell this one for only $2. So I bought 12 of this. We have a lot of shampoo, guys, because as you know, we have a very long hair. Coastal has a very long hair. So yeah, this is something I need to add this, so it won't go everywhere.
말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤, 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게 I still believe fine. 다 잊었다 생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Still believe fine. Hey, hey, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah. I miss you, baby. Yeah, yeah. 너무 어려워. 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나. 말없이 걸었었던.
It's so heavy. Oh gosh. Guys, it's very heavy. It's very, very heavy. That's it. Shampoo. Guys. And I have this as well, guys. For Marilyn Dosa dress. I don't know. I hope she like it. And this is for Dai as well. Daddy's one box is Daddy. Struggle is real.
생각나나 봐 자꾸 뒤척이게 돼 준비하지 못한 이별이라 준비하지 못한 이별이라 그랬었나 봐 수요일 밤이 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤이 기억나 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나지 않게 기억나지 않게 yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I sound really fine 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐 Sound really fine 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 나봐난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어 Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. 난 좀 더 빨리 널 잊어야만 해 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막
The reason I put this electrical tape so we can't open it. Philippines can't open this stuff.
fine 다 잊었다 생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야 Still really fine Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss
And after covering this, I will cover with the transparent tape, but I'm running out. I only have this one, which is not the thick, the wider one. So yeah, this is not final. I cover all of them with the transparent tape, so whenever the rain comes on this carton, it will stay intact. It will cover the rain, it will cover the wet thing. So today guys for the box, and we're gonna do this another box for this thing, but I don't have the transparent tape, so we're gonna buy transparent tape. 40 pieces of chocolate. It's like similar to Cadbury chocolate. So, and I bought this hair conditioner. It's only $4 plus, and my maman requested if we could send Panadol. So this is paracetamol, 40 pieces of paracetamol and 40 pieces of ibuprofen, which is really good on the hard headache. And I buy another 3 kilo of milk powder and another toothpaste. It's not a Colgate brand, but this one will do the job. And we have Lolly's candy, 2 candy, and I want them to try the honey because our honey here is all original, while in the Philippines, no, you can't. It's hard to get the original honey because not unless you yourself take that from the honey. And another chocolate. And I bought the gummies vitamins for my kiddos. today. And another peanut butter. And strawberry jam. I think that's all that I add. Oh no, there's another 2 cookies. 2 cookies. So that's it, guys, and I will separate some of them. I already put names for that. That's already. This is for Ganggang, this Ele, and yeah. So let's pack. This is my second box, guys. The other one is already packed. That one is already. This is ready to fly, and now we're gonna fill in this thing with our. I wrap this, guys, with this is a big sheet that we're not going to use, and I have plenty of clothes here. I'm going to palaman this in the package so it won't break. That's how I do it. Cover. I'm really worried, guys, how to pack this one because I don't want to break this. Because the container of this coffee is used for, like, if they had sugar, you stuck here, and this is a vacuum cover, so the ants won't go anywhere or any So let's start. The last, and I bought this as well, rug, like bath mats. Can use this in the window. We have this back in the Philippines because it's muddy. That's all for today. God bless. Bye.